Unlock the potential of renewable energy with the E20 storage system from Ace Battery. Tailor-made for residential applications, this is an ideal solution for homeowners seeking an efficient energy management system. Whether starting small or aiming for a larger capacity, the scalable design allows you to connect up to 15 battery units for simultaneous operation, delivering a maximum usable capacity of 57 kilowatts. This ensures that your power setup can adapt to your home's evolving needs and future upgrade demands. At its essence, the system relies on 102.4 volt lithium iron phosphate batteries, chosen for their longer lifespan, enhanced safety and impressive temperature tolerance. With a lifetime of more than 7,000 charge-discharge cycles, you can count on this system's endurance to provide dependable energy storage for years to come. The product features an IP65 ingress protection rating, safeguarding internal components from dust and water. Customise your installation with options for wall mounting or ground positioning, ensuring a seamless fit within your environment. The 10-year warranty on the product demonstrates our confidence in its lasting performance. As a pioneering force in the global clean energy sector and manufacturing capacity that exceeds 13 kilowatt hours, Ace Battery's portfolio consists of battery cells, modules, packs and energy storage systems supported by cutting-edge technologies and a commitment to sustainability. Operating through our global subsidiaries and invested companies, we have established a presence in multiple sectors including raw materials, system integration, recycling and secondary usage.